Everyone at some point in their life has experienced some form of pain, whether it's physical, psychological, or emotional pain. When you think about it, pain is actually following us throughout life, from childhood to adulthood. As a child, our pain may be caused by playing too rough with our friends or falling down and breaking a bone. Becoming a teenager, pain transitions into more of an emotional one, from experiences such as being bullied, being rejected, going through a breakup, or even possibly getting a bad grade. Reaching adulthood, the pain people feel is the cause of aging as our body declines in performance. Whatever pain it may be, everyone experiences some form of it and have their own way of treating it. Once when I was 7 years old, I remembered how I got new rollerblades and was going to learn how to use them. Frankly, I didn't decide to learn on a smooth surface and by the grass so that I wouldn't hurt myself if I fell. Instead, I thought it would be more fun and easier going down my driveway. Not knowing how to stop, I eventually fell and scraped my knees badly that I was bleeding. It hurt so badly. The reason why I felt pain was because my body was sending signals sensing that something was wrong. As Alex Korb from Psychology Today stated, there are pain neurons throughout the body called nociceptors which send out pain signals whenever they sense bodily harm. These pains can be caused by skin damage or even muscle tension. When my little sister saw that I fell, she came over and asked me if I was okay. I was bothered and confused why she would ask me such a ridiculous question when I obviously wasn't okay. It was almost like how doctors ask you when you go in when you get hurt, how much does it hurt? But then again, no one feels pain the same way. As the scale above demonstrates, pain can range from mild to severe. It all depends on the tolerance of a pain a person can handle. When pain increases, sometimes tolerance decreases. It all depends on the person. Some people can handle pain very well, others can't. Speaking about pain, there's also emotional pain out there. For example, bullies. When you think about it, why does bullies enjoy causing pain to others? It may be because they experience so much hate and pain themselves that they want others to feel the pain they feel. Even though bullies may seem strong, they can still feel pain. It's just that they try to hide it, and that's how they deal with it. In an article from Scientific America, kids being ostracized or the kids doing the ostracizing were found to suffer more mentally by having a higher rate of depression and anxiety. They are in pain, and their way to relieve the pain is to give someone else the pain, or either they let their pain bottle up inside them, not knowing how to handle it. When we get older, the pain doesn't stop. With aging, our body performance starts to deteriorate and feelings of back, leg, or joint pain form. Pain might even occur with diseases that form as we get older, which may be migraines or even heart attacks. People tend to dislike discomfort and try to find a way to treat the pain or even release it. One way that people try to relieve pain is by taking medicines. But medicines have its own risks in taking them. As Daniel P. Alford from the New England Journal of Medicine stated, patients with chronic pain are desperately seeking immediate relief from their suffering. They tend to have unrealistic expectations regarding the potential benefits of opioids and not to fully appreciate the degree of risk conferred by escalating their own doses in a desperate attempt to obtain pain relief. For example, during commercials for medicines, there are usually a lot of symptoms associated with medicines to just get rid of one pain. Is it really worth taking medicines to get rid of one pain when you could get more in return? Sometimes what we think would heal us doesn't. There are multiple levels and varying degrees of pain, such as getting a paper cut on the mild side versus breaking an arm, the extreme side. But in the end, the feeling is universal. In fact, pain is part of life and it is inevitable and should be embraced. Pain can't be necessarily gotten rid of. Even if we don't like it, we have to deal with it. Life can sometimes be painful. It's just what we make it to be and how we will tolerate it. Some people might make the best of it and handle pain as a means to push them and improve themselves. Others may handle pain as it is unbearable and painfully annoying. But in the end, pain is part of the balance we need in life, between tranquility and chaos. Pain allows us to be able to feel what relief is. Pain is necessary in life.